Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel O. Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion para sa ngayong November 15. And for today, we are going to talk about how the vision builds the future. And ito po ay continuation ng ating series for this week ng The Power of Vision. And this will be discussed with the verse of Nehemiah chapter 1 verse 3 na nagsasabing, "They said to me, those who survived the exile and are back in the province are in great trouble and disgrace. The wall of Jerusalem is broken down, and its gates have been burned with fire." Sa Tagalog, sumagot sila, "Kawawa naman sila roon. Hinahamak at nilalait ng mga dayuhang nakatira malapit doon. Sinabi nila na wasak pa ang mga pader ng Jerusalem, at ang mga pintuan ng lungsod ay hindi pa nagagawa mula nang sunugin iyon." So, pinapakita po rito sa Nehemiah na yung vision po ng ating Panginoon ay ang nagbibuild ng future. Ito po ay nagtetel kung ano ang mga mangyayari. Because vision is born out of problem. Kapag tayo po ay nangangamba, there's something that's bothering us. Something that's giving us difficulty. The vision of God is there to help. Because the vision sees the solution to the problem. Talagang napakaganda po ng vision ng Panginoon. Alam niya kung ano mangyayari. So, naturally, alam niya kung paano i-solve yung mga problema mo. So, it's important to share God's vision, no? Kasi kapag marami pong tao nakakaalam ng God's vision, then that rallies people to a common goal. That makes people unite. So, take problems as opportunities to see God's vision and seek solution from Him. Humingi ka ng tulong sa Panginoon. And kapag binigyan kanya ng tulong, you should rally people so that you share that vision with others. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat, and let us all give glory to our one and only God. Amen.